Yap. Have you ever walked into a building and felt worse within minutes? Headache, brain fog, fatigue, breathing irritation, mood shift? Then you step outside and you feel better. Most people never connect the dots, but the common denominator is often fragrance. Not perfume, not cologne, synthetic fragrance embedded in modern indoor air. Laundry detergents, air fresheners, candles, cleaning products, personal care products, hotels, gyms, churches, medical offices. We have normalized breathing chemical scent mixtures every single day. Here is what most people do not know. Fragrance is not one ingredient. It can represent dozens or even hundreds of chemicals grouped under a single word on a label. Manufacturers are legally allowed to keep those ingredients hidden as trade secrets. So you are exposed to chemicals you cannot identify and cannot evaluate. The science is not vague on this. Research shows synthetic fragrance exposure is associated with respiratory symptoms, migraines, neurological effects, immune activation, endocrine disruption, and skin reactions. Toxicology data demonstrates that certain fragrance compounds accumulate in human tissue. Endocrine studies show some act as hormone disruptors, interfering with thyroid, estrogen, testosterone, and stress hormone pathways. Your nose connects directly to your limbic system. That means inhaled chemicals can immediately influence mood, memory, and stress responses. Your immune system may interpret fragrance chemicals as threats, triggering inflammatory responses even without a classic allergy test being positive. This is why people experience chronic headaches, brain fog, unexplained fatigue, breathing issues, skin irritation, hormonal irregularities, mood instability. And here is the deeper issue. Fragrance-related illness is often dismissed. People are told it is anxiety, stress, seasonal allergies, or just sensitivity. But when exposure decreases, symptoms often improve. That is biology. In Dr. Jacobs' book, Killed by Fragrance, explain what fragrance actually is, how it interacts with the brain, immune system, and hormones, why symptoms are frequently misattributed, who is most vulnerable, and how to reduce exposure safely. This is not fear-driven, it is science-driven. Fragrance is not a passive cosmetic feature. It is an active chemical system interacting with your body every time you inhale. If you have unexplained symptoms, if you feel worse indoors but better outside, if your health shifted after new products, renovations, or environmental changes, you need to understand what you are breathing. Get your copy of Killed by Fragrance today using the link below. Start protecting your air. Start protecting your brain. Start protecting your hormones. Start protecting your family, because what you breathe matters. And I'll see you in the next video.